Hello everyone, welcome to What's Viral. Today we've got some really interesting clips, so make sure to keep watching till the end.
This is a cassowary, the most dangerous bird in the world, and it doesn't need to chew every time it eats. What makes this bird dangerous is its muscular legs that can make a powerful kick. Its claws are very sharp and would easily cause lethal wounds to the internal organs.
Come on, Winston! Good boy! Good job!
Can you believe that it is possible for this bike to carry such an enormous amount of items? These guys from Kenya are known for being able to jump so high barefoot without pumping their arms. In their culture, the higher you jump, the more chances that ladies would be impressed and be their wives. Here are a bunch of kittens being very impatient to have their food. This kitten is struggling to get back inside after going out of this hole that she made herself.
That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to get notified whenever I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. See you again in another video.